Pepe.
Pepe, that's its
You're allowed
name.
to lick but don't bite, for you.
Oh, what a cuddle.
Oh my God, he's cuddling it. Yeah. What's he sucking? The salt.
The
Salt,
yeah,
he's
from
licking
sweat.
the
Oh, look,
repellent. I think. You want the repellent?
Oh my goodness, now he's checking out your
Oh,
face.
that's a funny one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, John, that's hilarious.
Look.
He should see your face.
That's like a...
Yeah.
How are you not screaming?
He's very gentle.
Get your face.
Oh.
Open your mouth.
If you ever
Pepe.
Is he getting a tongue
here.
kiss?
you might have to come around the other
Oh
side.
my gosh, John. Are
He's
you
trying to
getting
tongue me.
some?
Oh, I'm getting this,
Thank
don't you
you.
worry. I'm getting it
Oh, look,
all.
he's going to put his
Don't
tongue
slip
up
the
your
tongue.
nose in a minute.
I'm getting it all. I just
John's
thought it
dribbling through
Pepe.
scared.
He's not very well behaved.
Yeah.
You don't do that on the first date.
Oh, John, that's hilarious.
Pepe.
How are you not screaming?
Look that. He's embarrassed.
Oh.
Yeah, he's a boy. Pepe.
Oh,
That's it.
so cute. Can you hold hands with him?
Don't scream. Don't scream.
Okay, okay,
It's a video. Oh, yeah.
okay.
He's licking her.
You too.
It's gross.
I'm just not,
So still.
Here's another one.
just not altogether comfortable. Oh, you're funny.
He's a bit of a
Oh, look
jiggle.
at that. It's much
He's a
much
floozy.
tasty
That might be
than
that Ralph
John.
Lauren.
All right.
Is that enough?
Is it?